So y'all, my denter, sorry, my dear. So I got rice. It's the Walmart parboiled rice. It looks pretty good. And then I have my broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, and the one pack, and then the other pack is the steamed broccoli. And it's in that pot that there's no water, just steam. And my dinner tonight is this oven smothered chicken. You just bake it. When you put it in the oven, and I'll show y'all, when you bake it, you put I put onion, garlic, and bell pepper, my favorites, on it. And then you bake it for about 45 minutes. This time I added a brown gravy packet with 30% less sodium. And it's honestly, it's a little bit saltier than I wanted it. So next time I'm going to not put as much Tony's seasoning, because y'all know I season with Tony's. But it's very, very flavorful. And I didn't have to add any browning sauce or anything to it. That's just the brown gravy on it. Alright, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. I got a friend. I'm kind of worried. She used to comment on just about every video. I haven't seen her on any of my... she hadn't commented on any of my videos. And I hadn't seen her anywhere. And I'm just praying that everything is okay. I know she works in the medical field. So just send prayers up for my sis. Alright, y'all. Thank you for watching. Be blessed. Much love. Bye.
Work is almost over. Summer's getting closer. No time to be sober. Sunshine on my shoulders.